This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about bitters bottles, specifically these Bar Lux Bitters Bottles. They're all 4-ounce glass bottles that are a nice modern style, and they feature different finishes on those stoppers. So we have a copper-plated, silver-plated, and gold-plated. So you have some nice choices for your bar setup. And they're really going to help to enhance your showmanship and the look of that bar setup. So it's really going to up your presentation for your guests and customers. The stoppers themselves feature a nice cork in there to really create a nice seal with the bottle for precision mess-free dashing. You can see you get that nice tight fit down in there, so you really don't have to worry about leaks, and you're getting a really great seal when you're doing your little dash. So these are perfect for using for crafting cocktails like your Manhattans, Old Fashions, or any other creations. And they're also going to be great to use for things where you really want precision dispensing. Think oil and vinegar for salad dressings, or even things like super spicy hot sauces. So the classic design works perfectly with any setup, and that choice of metallic finishes allows you to really customize things, or even if you're going to have multiple different flavors of bitters out, to really kind of color code your setup so you know what you're grabbing, especially during a busy cocktail service. So these are perfect for bars, lounges, restaurants, for use at catered events, or just if you're looking to really upgrade your setup for your bar at home.